Hey friends, if you encounter the issue stuck on preparing to configure the Windows screen while booting into your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now there are two cases here. One is that it is permanently stuck at that screen and it doesn't move further at all. Now the only thing that you can do in this case after a lot of attempts is a clean install on your system, because you're not booting into the system. The operating system is present but you're unable to boot into it. And in this case, a hardware technician can help you with a clean boot, but a clean install. But if a hardware technician is if you don't want to go through the hardware technician route, you can also create your own bootable pen drive and then clean install it. Now, if you are able to boot into your system at least a few times, even 20% times, then try the following. The first solution is a clean boot, because usually a third party software product is the reason behind the interference. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open the system configuration window. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, and then on OK. And then finally restart the computer. The next solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on open system restore and then click on next. Choose a good restore point, click on next, and finally click on finish to initiate the system restore process. And lastly, a cloud reset of Windows. Now, why a cloud reset of Windows? I'll show you the procedure first and then I'll explain the cause behind it. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select recovery in the right pane. Select reset PC. Remove everything. If you wish, you can back it up separately, and then select cloud reset. Why? Because the main cause behind the problem is that your system's image has gone bad. It is corrupt. And if your system's image is corrupt, then installing the local copy again is going to cause the same problem again. So a cloud reset is the only solution to this problem. Choose the cloud reset option and then click on it and reset your system to the cloud. You will need a good internet connection for it, so keep your system connected to the Wi-Fi. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.